welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how you can get a more beauty, more perfect, fuller, pumpy lips by using the normal everyday lip stain and the lip liner, all the lip making process. And let's see how I do all the steps. So without investing any time, let's jump to the video. So guys, the first step what I did is first I applied Maybelline Babyliss lip liner, as you can see, because before doing any applying makeup stuffs you need to moisturize your lip too, just like your face. So I applied the lip balm. You can use any lip balm in your home. Sometimes I use Vaseline too, so you can check. I will put the link in my description box. So all the items regarding the lip moisturizing purpose, I will put some of them link. Okay, so next what we can do, we are going to draw our outline around our lips, because that makes our lip more perfect whenever we apply the lipsticks. To draw a line around your lips, what you need a lip liner first. So here I am using this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner, and the shade is Fruit Punch 04. I will drop the link in my description box for the details. First, what do you need? I am taking a mirror so that I am starting to draw. First, you need to line in your V shape of your lips. You need to line little bit ahead of your lips, because we need not only a perfect but also a pumpy, a little bit bigger. First you can do, you just make a dot like this, okay, and come like this way, just like the one I am doing it from. Now take this portion, point out, I am trying to doing it little bit ahead of my actual lip border. Then okay, for the beginning. Next, what do you need to do? You need to draw this straight line. See, I am drawn it just below, little bit below in my actual lip. And now what we can do, we are going to join these two parts. So just see carefully. I left it here. So from here I am going to start by little and little. Cool. Cool. Now this part. On. Now this. And now from this corner area I will come to join this part. See, I did the joining part. That's it. It's done. For this way, if you want more bigger, then overwrite on it and try to cross the boundaries of your lip. Little bit. Don't do this too much. Then your all perfection will go in vain. Because we have to maintain that naturality also. I mean the normal natural look also. In between that, we need to be perfectionist also, and we need to get a bigger lip also. So we need to take care of many things at the same time. Yeah, it's okay. Done. So you can see the outline of my lip is done. This is the ultimate look after doing all the lip lining. So here I am using this Maybelline. I don't know the actual name. Maybelline New York. The shade is Touch of Spice 660. Now I am going to fill it. I hope you can see. Like the make sure you took the right shade of the lip liner and the lipstick at the same time. So this is the look. You can see it looks really more bigger just because of using the liner. Trust me, otherwise it won't be that much good. You can see the difference, and the lipstick also so good. I just love that Maybelline Touch of Spice lipstick. It is my kind of a go-to lipstick. Whenever I go somewhere, I use either this one or the another shade, that is the Nude Nuance. You know that. I mean, so yeah. So yeah, that's all. I hope you like my this short tutorial. If you like this kind of short tutorial about the beauty products, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. I'm happy to read your comments. And also, if you like, subscribe. And I make videos every week, so you are going to be updated with a lot of information with the coming days. So subscribe and press the bell icon